Today on the menu is beef. Nyam Choma roast, just fried and fried beef. Nyam Choma. Karibuni watu wetu hapa Canada tukule. KUTOKA PIKYOK wan Canada kiamisi na gevaivaenji wa beruret. Achoke bento rai ninatengeneza nyama leo. Leo ni nyama choma, nyama fry. Inaitwa beef. Penda teta. Kaviruto PIKYOK. Chomege jambo habari yenu. Hapa Canada tunasema in Canada ko bigabe moni chibo Kuremic Great Kingdom ko in Aboriginal very great kingdom here in Halifax, Nova Scotia province of Canada in eastern Atlantic Canada and northeastern USA. Ko renenywan shamba yao ama ko renenywan go wo pesa paraga pesa Kuremic na ko in their language they say gwe, ikatika kulen gwe. Anasema neno same gwe. Ko asante, KONGOI, ko walalen. Ko see you again, ana. Gitu yun tena, ama tuonane tena. Ko na mugtas. Hawasemi kwa heri. Malenen saisire. Muna, iya nigule. Gitu itos kora. Yani, gitu itos kora. Ko lendi kyan na mugtas. Kuyang gitu yan kora. Anani. Gitu yan kora Anagogoy. Anani. Sige. Tuwasiliana tena. Hii ni chakula ya jioni. Nimetengeneza ka supu hapa. Natengeneza chai. I made a cup of tea and soup and roast beef. And this was a kind-heartedly donated by somebody from where is it? From Dalhousie social works department. Her name is Sarah. She's a very caring lady, and other people have been supporting SIMBA also in the community here in Halifax, Nova Scotia province of Canada, North America, because there's a lot going on now in this era of Donald Trump, and a lot of racism, a lot of greed, a lot of corruption. And a lot of they're turning on the dislike of people that look different. So it could be women, it could be men, it could be like people that are different gender, or people that different belief, religious belief, or different height, or different whatever it is that's different anyway. Anything that's not considered white, Aryan, and part of something called the Ku Klux Klan, or the clans of the what they consider white people. There's nobody white like this stuff. There's nobody. See, but they say they're white because they want to be angelic, to be close to the angel.